How to stabilize videos inside DaVinci Resolve 16. Go here to the Edit tab, click on a clip on the timeline, and by using these, go to Inspector. And here we have stabilization. Double click on the text itself. Okay, and here we have the stabilize button. Click on it. That's similar to an apply button. So now it's analyzing the video, that one. And if you take a look here in Task Manager, this is using the graphics card much more than the CPU. Okay, and the video itself is stabilized. It's done. So we can take a look at it. It looks like this. And if we click on this red dot next to stabilization, we can see it without stabilization. So now the video is not stabilized. Check that red dot, and now the video is stabilized. Okay, now let's analyze the settings. It has three modes: mode, perspective, similarity. These two are rotating the video. So if we uncheck this zoom, we can see what's happening. So stabilization adds these black bars because the video itself is shaking. If you take a look, and if you see, the edge is not straight, so perspective and similarity are rotating and bending the video, so I don't really like it. I tend to use translation. Click on that apply button, which is called stabilize, and with translation the edges are straight. Okay, camera lock, I personally don't see any difference, so I tend not to use it. With camera lock, it looks like this, and with camera lock unchecked, it looks like this. So it's highly similar. Whatever, use it if you want. Okay, zoom, that hides the black edges, so it will zoom in the video where we have something larger, wherever there. So now it's zoomed in, now it's zoomed out. Okay, with the zoom unchecked, we can see what's happening. If I use a lower value at cropping ratio, then it will have larger black bars. And if I increase smooth, it will also increase the black bars. This cropping ratio, if it's on 1, then it's basically not stabilizing the video. We don't have any black edges, so use a smaller value. Smooth, increase it to the maximum if you want. And the strength, if it's on +1, it's stabilized. If it's on 0 here in the center, then it's not doing anything, so stabilization is disabled. And if it's on -1, it's shaking your video even more. So I'm not sure what's that good, but keep it on +1. By the way, from these you can reset the values to the default ones. So keep it somewhere there, make sure zoom is checked, and translation keeps it vertically and horizontal, and stabilize. And voila. That's all the stabilization inside DaVinci Resolve version 16.